mess up your knees and joints. So I think I did that when I was in high school.
Yeah.
Running, my form was jacked up. And now I'm paying for it when I go up hills and stuff. That's why I was telling you to get new shoes, because your joints are gonna be burning. Just because when you were 20 something it didn't affect you.
Well, actually, I didn't do any running or any exercise when I was 20 something.
Okay, then how in the hell are you able to walk
when
long?
I was 25 something and 26 something is when I ran extended distances after the first summer of my law school. In college, I was probably just about as overweight as I am now.
Stress eating?
Yeah, I never exercised much in high school either. Because my parents are more concerned about academics than me having any types of sports endeavors.
Hubert, he's like, he names every feature.
Gives it a name.
Yeah. So what are we calling this? Pile of shit.
Why not? Yeah. So with a little mini cave hidden around the corner up there.
I'm pretty sure like the folks who camp here,
Yeah.
they probably do some mischievous stuff.
There's probably some initials in heart. You know?
What? What? I'm thinking we turn up that way, right?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking too.
You see the blue marks?
Where the blue mark?
There's blue squares.
I think they should have like a arrow that points this way, right here to stop people.
Yeah. Oh, there's them yellow things.
So we're at the bottom, now we're going up the other side.
I kind of wish they would cut some of this down, because I feel like Tallulah Gorge I was able to see stuff, but like, you get what I'm saying?
So you could have a better unobstructed view of the beauty.
Yeah. Yeah, there's magnolias everywhere. I mean, it's a beautiful trail. Maybe you should join the construction of some of the trails at Standing Boy,
You can get up there, swing a hammer and shovel.
or get a four-wheeler and dump this and contribute to the economy. Parks and recreation for the future children.
Free work for the DNR.
Department of Recreation?
DNR, Department of Natural Resources.
Oh.
This all falls under them.
I wonder, well, is this is still Georgia, right?
Correct. State government.
Okay. Usually Georgia take care of their, well, it's like stuff like this, like, yeah.
Have somebody come through here with a chainsaw for these.
That's some good firewood.
But that ranger I spoke to in that interpretive center
There is campsites. Hi.
Morning.
Morning. It's like a holly bush. What the? Is it finna, what you call it?
Side trail?
Where you stay on trail, short? Oh.
Yeah, it switches back and forth. And if you want to get up there fast, you get across
That looks like it burns more calories.
You're on a graduate switch.
Okay. That was the term I was looking for, switchback. You think you could...
Switchbacks are easy breezy compared to the middle.
Is that like a cowboy term?
I've heard that in all sorts of trails across the U.S. that I've been on.
The first switchback.
First time I heard that term was when I was hiking along the Beartooth Mountains with Man Lake.
I'll give you $100 to climb up there.
You give me $100 to climb up there? Does that even connect to the trail?
Oh no. And then if you get stranded, I'll just leave you and just keep going. You contribute. I'm just kidding. This is more easier. Hi. You got silent. Yeah, you can't believe I said that.
Yeah, salad.
No, I said you got silent, not salad. I thought that was a jug of vodka. I really did. What he was holding. Huh?
I have one of those Japanese gorges that I use as my water bottle now. But most people keep sake in there. I used to keep a flask in my bicycle bag too.
Can you get that for me? Thank you.
Lucky little pig. You bought the lucky little piggy?
Yeah, for money, right?
Yeah.
This lucky little piggy is unique, and that's not all. We just 3 legs upon stand upon. You think that he would fall? Instead, he brings you good fortune to all that holds him near. Keep him close for all the lots of luck, happiness, and good cheer. This sounds like some Christmas stuff. Christmas time is here. No shooting.
Private property.
Why do you, if somebody's shooting, right, and it's private property, what if the bullet enters public property?
Well, then you bring it before a jury whether or not they're reasonable and where they're pointing at now. And the reason why they're pointing at now too.
Oh, look at the cave. Oh, it says stay on trail. Okay. Look. Are you getting in there? Are you gonna get in there?
Oh, you want me to get in there? I'm gonna take a picture of that one first. Why is there like a wispy little...
Yeah, it's the sun.
It's a cave, but it ain't dry.
Ah, I see.
I even take it. Well, let me put my phone away first. Okay. So take a picture in a cave, or beside the cave, or in the cave. So let's look at that straddles the butt. That's the right shoulder now.
Boo Boo is in here. You know Yogi Bear and Boo Boo?
Yogi Bear and Boo Boo.
I wish bears were nice.
Like Yogi and Boo Boo. See if those work for you.
You watch Vampire Diaries. Oh my god.
Oh, it ends right there.
Andrew loves Vampire Diaries.
Really?
Yeah. And New Girl.
Hi. Hi. Okay.
Oh, there goes the map. Whatever.
It's just so good.
Yeah, I'm that good.
Hemlock Grove. Seen that before?
I believe the ranger mentioned it earlier.
What does hemlock mean?
Hemlock is famous going back to Socrates. And that if you grind up its fruit into a little juice or whatever, he drank that because he's condemned to death to die by hemlock poisoning. Socrates.
It was Plato that they made him like be quiet and silence him for some of the stuff he discovered, especially about, you know, the planets and stuff.
That sounds more like Galileo, who they persecuted with his blasphemous thing that the world is not the center of the universe.
Yeah, that was Galileo.
Galileo developed his ideas from
Telescope.
he's famous for creating. It's kind of like an airplane. There are a lot of competing people. He created a functioning telescope to an extent for the stars, even though other people had experimented with optics in similar fashions before. But when people think Galileo, they automatically think of telescopes. The same way there's two competing people who claim to invent the telephone. Bell and that Marconi guy.
I bet if we didn't have like...
Hello.
Hey.
Alright, let them come back.
Okay. Morning. What is this? You want to visit? York.
You know what I just say? That did look like a yurt.
Dude, what's a fucking... That's a yurt? What
A yurt is a circle type structure. It's kind of like a teepee and a building fused together. And that's what I went into when I went to see the Northern Lights in Fairbanks, Alaska.
Oh, there goes some more yurts. So you would stay in one of these?
Well, we would take pictures of the Northern Lights, but we'd have to take our gloves off in order for our cell phones and camera batteries to work. And then we'd freeze our hands off, and then we'd run back inside and warm them up in the gas-heated yurt, and where we had unlimited hot cocoa and popcorn and other things. And we took one of those tank-like box mobiles to get up the mountain to the top to see the Northern Lights with the paint tracks. I forgot, you called them a Swiss sea. Swiss sea.
Swish, swish, fish. Another one in the casket. I don't know if I think I would prefer glamping.
Glamping?
Yeah, glamorous. Like have all your necessities, but in the woods. You know.
Yeah. There's a hotel drive-in by day. There's RVing.
Yeah, I would.
There's car camping, and then the most rugged of all is packing in hiking, pack camping. That's most rugged. Aaron and Marco and I did that 2 or 3 times.
Which one nobody's staying at? That one. Let's look at this one.
I'll take it back up here.
Huh? I'm just trying to look inside. Where are you going? Where are you going?
I'm trying to figure, is this the way to Western Town?
No. We go back down that way. I just wanted to see what it looks like.
Here.
Oh, they're key locked too. What are those?
I'm guessing you hang stuff that you're cooking on. Close to dry.
Oh, look, they got couches. No, they got bunk beds. They got couches. A place to sit. Air conditioner.
Okay, it's a bit more luxurious than I thought.
Oh.
Well, it's cheaper to construct one of these exit gaps in a real building. But look, no poochies allowed.
No. Oh, what? I was like, what the hell did you just say?
No poochies allowed.
No poochies.
That's right. I think that's a good way to say dog and cat combined. Okay.
Oh, no, I think a pooch is just a dog. Because you must have to tie them up outside if you do bring them. When we're going to the waterfall. Okay. Wait, is it recording? Okay. Okay. We could do this. I'm gonna have to split these into 2-part videos. Look at that. That's beautiful. I want you to climb it, Chance. Now. Now.
Aaron was coming out.
You said Aaron would?
Yeah, he could do that. I couldn't. Maybe 5 years ago.
You said 5 years ago?
Yeah, I was in a better shape 5 years ago.
Was it, what was it, coronavirus?
75.
Oh. These magnificent sculptures. Oh.
Oh, she's recording everything like him.
Whoa, look at that.
That's gonna come loose one of these days.
I'm telling you. Hey, so take a photo. That's amazing. Sure. Hey, Chance. Photo op.
I need to take a photo of you.
Yeah, under the rock.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Excuse me.
Sorry. Tanner? Oh, I see you.
How you?
Dad and Cooper turned around. They're coming.
Yeah.
You know?
Got it?
Let's take a look at it and make a decision.
I wonder what's obsidian.
Well, obsidian would be shiny black.
Right there.
Right there.
Damn, you can't even see me. Oh well, no big deal. Okay. It's a perfect place to rest. What is this standing rock? This gotta have a name. Oh Lord. Oh God.
It's like a giant ball that's bulging from the mountain.
Ooh, I got dizzy. Look at that. Do you see that?
Oh, that's a mini Tallulah Gorge.
Mini.
Get over.
Damn, we ain't gonna be able to.
Do the next one.
Well, we could do some of it, but it goes all the way out. And it might not be necessary Oh my god. I don't know what Chance is doing.
Checking a text message.
Oh.
This cousin's just 2 years old, so I thought they were still like 20.
Soon, all your cousins, and who's in the same generation as you, is gonna be 30. That's how it goes. So it's down there, like there. Just kind of dizzying. Just what's it called? Depth perception is off. Well, we could at least go to Hemlock Falls and this one. And I'll be satisfied.
Deja vu. Remember stairs and waterfalls.
Tulum. Is that the waterfall?
Pretty pathetic.
Maybe because it hasn't been raining? Damn it. Well, I knew it looked kind of dry. Shit.
Hi.
That's it. Oh, it looks like it hasn't been raining. That's probably what happened.
Yeah, I guess we need to come during rainier seasons.
It looks like a drought, man. They're talking about no swimming. Well, it's a little trickle. Well, it's a nice pool. Wow, this is beautiful. Nope. Yeah, it's
It's not beautiful.
I
You
kn-
come here when it's
raining.
no, they have a lot. It's full of water.
Okay.
Yeah, it's really sad right now. But
We
you
have-
still love it?
I mean, I think it's a pretty. The rocks is
I
pretty.
know.
Yeah. I guess I'll go on Google. Damn, that's very disappointing.
Well, there's more. It says waterfalls, right?
That's it right there.
I thought there's like more.
Yeah, there's
Water.
one more down there.
tienes poco de aquí. So last time we came, you see how all that white thing is?
Yeah.
All that white thing was
The whole thing?
white from there.
Wow.
It's a lot worth it. Today is
It's a drought or something?
Huh?
It hasn't been raining?
I don't know. Maybe that's what happened. Maybe
You're not around here?
Huh? I'm from Columbus, Georgia,
Oh,
2 hours south of Atlanta.
oh, okay.
So, are you guys from around here?
Illinois.
Oh, Illinois?
I'm hoping there's other reasons that brought you to Georgia.
What, y'all just vacationing or?
Yeah, for vacation.
Oh, okay.
For vacation.
Yeah, getting away from Chicago or one of those cozier spots like Albany?
one of the closest spots to God that is beautiful.
Okay.
Rock City Garden, Incline Railway, Ruby Falls.
Ruby
don't
Falls.
have water.
Ruby Falls.
Oh, there's water?
It's underground, Ruby Falls.
It's beautiful.
You gotta go to Ruby Falls. You cannot come to Tennessee without going there.
Okay.
This is one
Where?
of those beautiful.
It's underground. You go into
See the waterfall.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going tomorrow morning.
The Rock
Yeah.
City, but yeah.
Yeah.
Rock City Garden, yeah, and the nighttime you have to go.
The night.
And the night, yeah, all the lights is beautiful over
Okay.
there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, see ya.
Okay.
A good place to rest. Warmer, I'd be a kid 11 to jump out in there.
They said no swimming.
If I were a kid, I would be more than signs.
You ignore them?
If I were a kid, not sure as a lawyer what I'd do.
There's a snake.
Maybe you say water moccasin, I might cringe a little bit more.
Really? I don't know what I'm looking at. I thought it rained like... It did rain this past week, right? No?
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah.
Some waterfall. It's like a gutter shower off a roof. Well, I think I've seen bigger waterfalls off a roof than that.
Looks like the sun is setting.
Maybe. 2:42. At least 2 or 3 hours left in. Maybe 4.
Well, there's no water coming down the waterfall. Well, there is some water. But,
That ranger said this is supposed to be their hallmark trail.
it is. It's just hasn't been raining. It's probably a good place to shoot a movie.
Maybe a horror film.
A horror film? Like
It's
something.
not a splash happy. Yeah.
I'm pretty sure it's higher when water.
This would be a good place to kill somebody and bury it out in the woods. That type of murder mystery film.
Or how throw a fake body off the top.
It's not really deep enough.
That's the water line right there. That's how it's supposed to
That
go.
looks a lot better.
That's Hemlock, and that's.
It's pretty pathetic today.
It's your fault. You said November 17th.
I gave you a range of dates.
Okay, well, it's your fault for not making a decision.
I'm going to lose in this conversation no matter what. So I'm just going to just nod my head and say sure.
That looks like it's about to separate. Up there. Up there looks like it's about to separate.
Oh, it's come tumbling off.
Hell.
in my head it was a lot longer, you know, as a 5-year-old.
Fuck you, waterfall. Fuck you, waterfall.
I'm here to catch them all.
Huh?
I'm here to catch all the spider webs.
Somebody needs to release the dam.
You can see the full mighty Cherokee Falls. This looks bad.
Stop cursing the landscape. Mother Earth doesn't like it.
She has her finer hours and her lower hours.
Where are we on this trail?
Damn. Look up there. I mean, it's not all the way up there.
I don't think I can get you in that backdrop.
Is that
That's
going?
that one right there.
Is 3 miles going, 3 miles back? Okay, as long as it's, I mean, I was gonna do.
Burn the Waffle House.
I was gonna do a little bit of it, but just know that if we don't leave here by 5, it starts getting dark at 5. Unless you want to go partying downtown.
Nah, I care more about finishing Sitton's Gulch.
No, do you get what I'm saying? It's gonna be dark. We can go downtown when it's dark,
Yeah, dark. Yeah, that's good.
and then do the ghost tour. Hopefully. I really want this to do the aquarium and stuff, but whatever. It's your fault. You did it.
I didn't take the shower in the morning.
Huh?
Hey, how's it
Excuse me? We didn't, what?
going? My alarm went
How
off
you
at
turning? Mine went off at 6:50. This place don't open until 7. We got here at 9, okay?
8. No, you got back here fast enough. You got here about 9:45 or 10.
Whatever.
I'm saying I could left the motel. I did it.
Shut up. I have to get my YouTube stuff ready. Is that charcoal? God. Well, and then,
I don't like rushing things. I'm perfectly fine with how it panned out.
well, you're the one who gotta make us rush tomorrow.
Maybe. We haven't even bought the tickets to choose the times when we need to be there.
It's definitely not today. I don't know. Yeah. But Sharon told me she
50%
was able to get it today.
from
Listen.
down by the waterfalls back up. You want to hold mine?
So then go. When you fall and get hurt,
Whoa, this is tripped me out.
I'm hoping it takes us to the flatlands down here and it's just flat walking.
Oh yeah, that'll be quicker. I hear water. You hear water?
Maybe there's so many falls down here.
'Cause there's water falling from the walls. Right? I mean, water seeps through the walls. And then there's another canyon on the other side. Then again, I guess we're up higher. I guess, well, I mean, the higher you go up, the streams usually dry up. That's the truth, geologically speaking. I'm correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Just say I'm right more.
You're right.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh, what? Whose falls is this? What's this name? Give it a name. Pee-pee.
There you go.
Trickle. Trickle. That's what I heard. You can still take a shower in that. When zombies take over.
Be bigger than the other two showers.
That's what I'm saying. I hear it. Wow, look at it. Oh, that's the bridge. Checkpoint.
Just remember, it's 6 miles around, and then we got the Blue Resort stairs.
Point what? Up the stairs?
I just remember it's 6 miles, and we got the stairs.
Well, this is all on you, Chance. If I fall, you gotta carry me back up there. You see that all the way up there. And dead weight is heavy.
When we had lunch one time when I moved back to Columbus, but he wasn't too interested in reconnecting. He was satisfied with his family. He settled down in his life and didn't really evolve into much of a social butterfly.
I don't want to have a life where my job is everything. That's so sad to me. Like people who have 3 cell phones, that drives me nuts. Like say for instance, we're walking, something goes down at work, my manager has to call in and see what's wrong, even when he's on vacation. But I guess that's why you get paid the big bucks for it. But at what point is enough money enough? That's what I say.
There's more options, but you gotta balance it with family time and every that sort of thing. You
Like
seen that Nicolas Cage movie, Family Man?
no.
It shows 2 versions of his life, one where he dedicated his career, the other one where he dedicated to his family.
Have you seen the movie Click with Adam Sandler?
Yeah, it follows a similar premise.
Yeah. They need cameras, like cameras here to catch these big things falling. Yeah, coming down wasn't too bad.
Different opinions once we get back to it.
Yeah, I guess. Did you ever watch any of my videos? The Indian Festival?
A few seconds.
Why? You're not being supportive. Why? I told you to fast forward.
Well, seeing a few seconds by fast forwarding count as seeing it still?
Yeah, but what are you saying? The last one you didn't, like Mount Yona? You
I
didn't,
watched a few seconds of it.
a few seconds?
I look primarily where I see blue shirt.
Huh?
I look primarily for the clips where I see blue shirt to see if any of my statements are paint me in a bad light.
Any of your what?
Statements paint me in a bad light.
Are you serious? You went through the whole video though?
I scrolled through looking for the frames, freeze frames where I see blue shirt. And
You
stuff
do
there.
know you were talking in the background.
Well, then I guess I missed that. It feels like review work.
The only person who had something to worry about was probably Aaron and me. Because I knew I was probably
I just know in the
cursing up a
future
storm.
that if I'm ever considered for a major role, they will find close contacts with me and examine all their channels to see if they can find every statement I've ever made and try to use it against me.
You're not messing up my video. I don't care.
I'm not messing up the video.
How y'all doing?
All right.
Howdy.
I need a wipe.
That must have rolled. That must have rolled.
Yeah.
I feel like this is kind of like Yosemite a little bit. Looking at the walls. So you're basically saying my videos are boring? Is that what you're saying?
I am not saying anything.
It doesn't interest you? If you would listen to the conversation, it was hilarious. But you didn't take the time to do that.
I feel like I'm under cross-examination.
Distance 6 miles.
Okay, we can turn around.
3 hours, 16 minutes, 14 seconds. Previous mile in, 37 minutes, 13 seconds.
They're evolving. They're getting better. How does that sound?
Thank you. It's probably because I don't have it on my forehead this time, and it's getting shooty. But if I want to take it seriously, I gotta get an editor. God, sounds like another job.
It's a lot of tedious work, a passion you love there, and you get better and better at it.
I might just ship it off to India and let them do it. Pay $30 for it. Chop it down to the good part. Some people live.
The girls, it's just a work in progress there. Created my first couple monologues on stage to where now I'm the only one that gets fully ingrained in the characters on stage when we perform in the plays I do. Work in progress. In the same way, all the types of domestic cases I do, I can do with a second thought now. It's easy breezy compared to when I first started. It just takes time. Because you gotta, I learned the best approach is to figure out what the key decision makers care the most about and cut it to that point there and dress it up for them to minimize their thought patterns. Oh, you're trying to GoPro it around.
And then most of the people with YouTube channels, they don't really have real jobs. It's like their full-time job is YouTubing.
When you monetize it, do you have an idea how many views translates to how many cents? Or?
A round?
Yeah, they fire a 50 cal round for a t-shirt and sell them through the Demolition Ranch YouTube channel.
They shoot the shirt?
Yeah, with a 50 cal.
It's crazy my YouTube shorts are taking off though. But I need 3 million views to get monetized. I wonder, do they have a bear problem?
But you need 3 million views for a single video to
For shorts. You know, the ones you flip up like this? The short videos?